Yeah, yeah.
It starts with your philosophy. Command your people in such a way that gives them a higher shared purpose. Today's concept will describe why you get up in the morning, what keeps you going throughout the day, and what determines progress at the end of the day. Is finding love an issue for you? You can master the secrets of creating a lasting relationship. Check out Gary Gagliardi's adaptation of The Art of War for winning lifelong love today. Today's associate concept is mission values. On the previous episodes, I was talking about Sun Tzu's different elements of a position, including climate, ground, command, and methods. But none of this will make any sense or matter at all without mission. This is the core of a strategic position, and mission value is what brings it all into meaning. We all have many desires, and our mission is the force that directs our decisions and our actions. We need a clear mission to identify ourselves, and so in the course of events, we won't be drifting, and our actions will have meaning to them. Without understanding motivations, we find ourselves in trouble of making key mistakes that cut ourselves from uniting with others and succeeding in general. Our opportunity is that mission provides ourselves first a standard of progress, something that we know we're making progress by going into the direction of our goals. Secondly, it's a foundation for others to join in, including enemies. The key thing to changing an enemy into an ally is the knowledge of making shared goals. And the strongest goals and priorities are the clearest. We just can't find progress in life without the assistance of others. Others won't often commit to us until we commit to them first. Even when people agree with your mission, they may disagree with means and methods of accomplishing those goals. The changing climate can make all agreements temporary. Sun Tzu says that everyone revolves around their own interests. Sun Tzu's strategy is about constructing a mission that people can join in on. We also have opportunities in the short term to agree on methods and means that will support us all in the short run. We also have opportunities in the long term. Even if people disagree with methods and means in the short term, we can make the case that the value of cooperation is more valuable and more certain than differing opinions and actions. Now, Sun Tzu teaches us to leverage people's motivations, but what people want can definitely be hidden, complex, and ever-changing. Also, predicting the wants of others in the future, because making decisions about opportunities are all existing in the future. So making decisions about the wants of others in the future poses a big challenge. Our opportunity is that we don't have to understand the motivations of others perfectly. We just have to understand them better than others. After all we're being is just compared. Sun Tzu's strategy focuses on first, external focus, 2, simplicity, and 3, interconnection with the other rules and mental models of strategy. First of all, an external focus. Most people are too concerned about their own wants and their own needs to be able to satisfy the needs of others, which creates an even bigger opportunity for us to satisfy the needs of others. So we focus on other people to help us accomplish our needs by satisfying their needs. Often the way to go is often by helping other people reach their dreams, and in return they'll help you reach your dreams. The idea of cooperation. Second of all, simplicity. Since people are very complex creatures, Sun Tzu's models help simplify all the aspects of human motivations, so that way we can understand and make better decisions quickly and more clearly about what to do when it comes to predicting people's motivations and what they'll do in the future. And last of all, interconnection. None of these rules will make any sense without first of all connecting to the other ideas of the rule book, but as well as connecting with other people in general. In fact, the next section of the Warriors Rulebook, section 2, is all about the perspective of others and developing a better perspective of the situation, which comes from our contacts, or which comes from the people that we know. And when we connect with others, we can find out their wants, their needs, and just more about things in general. We all have priorities, and those priorities are always shifting from moment to moment. Our goals can also change their relative importance from moment to moment as well. For example, in a life or death situation, our long-term goals aren't nearly as important as surviving and getting past the life or death situation. This complexity of competing priorities and constant change makes it harder for us to be able to predict others and, of course, manage alliances with others. Our opportunity is that, while that's specifically looking at our mission as a whole is one of the most enduring parts of our strategic position that lasts the longest. So, while our priorities may shift from moment to moment, the list itself changes slowly, if at all. From knowing the warrior's rules to the last concept, we know that knowing the mission hierarchy tells us a little bit more about how priorities can change over time, which gives us a head start in being able to predict others. But we also combine this key knowledge with knowing how changing conditions affect positions. So, this has been Soci Concepts, subsection 1.6, Mission Values. This is Mr. Balderdash, signing out.
Yeah.